Tired of spending hours creating professional invoices? With FreshBooks, you can create and send one in minutes. If you're wondering how to get paid faster, this is your first step. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. The Invoice Creator is designed to be intuitive, guiding you through each part so nothing gets missed. First, log into your FreshBooks account and click on the Invoices tab. You'll see a big, friendly, Create New Invoice button. Click that, and you're on your way. Now, you'll fill in the details. Select your client from the drop-down, add a due date, and then line by line, add the services or products you're billing for. You can add descriptions, rates, and quantities. It automatically calculates the total. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: enable online payments before you send. In the invoice settings, make sure a payment option like credit card or bank transfer is turned on. This creates a Pay Now button on the invoice, dramatically reducing the time it takes to get paid. Just like that, you've created a professional, clear invoice that's ready to land in your client's inbox and money in your account. Now I'm curious, what's the one item you find yourself invoicing for most often? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.